All right, my name is Sarah, and this is my part one of two in today's task. So I'll put the one on the corner, and I decided to do option number one, which was 2/6 and 5/6, and we're going to compare those, and I'm going to solve if it's less than, greater than, or equal to. So how I'm going to solve that is I'm going to grab a circle, and how many parts? There's 6 parts to both of them. They have the same denominator, so I'm pretty much just comparing the numerators. And I know that since the denominators are the same, if there is a bigger number, that probably means that it's going to be the greater fraction, but I'm going to solve it out anyway using my circle chart. And I'm going to fill this one in. There's 2 pieces, and I'm going to grab another right over here, and this is going to represent my 5/6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm even going to number them. So there's 1 and 2 to represent 2/6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pieces to represent 5/6. So as you can see, the 5/6 has more shaded 6 pieces than the 2/6, but what I can do is I can drag this over, and you can really compare to see how much more 5/6 is shaded than 2/6. So now that I know that, I need to put the correct sign. I know it's going to be less than or greater than, so what I need to do is I need to point my less than or greater than sign. The sign needs to be pointing to the larger fraction, which is 5/6. So it's going to go this way. So now to read it, I know that 2/6 is less than 5/6.